Even if your goal isn't gaining huge muscles, runners usually make the mistake of doing no lifting exercises at all. That's not only wrong, but it's also just plain dumb. With these 3 exercises, you'll run farther, faster, and safer than ever. Stay tuned to Pars Health TV channel. Naturally, a runner wants to run faster, shave off seconds or even minutes from your PR, and run more miles in less time. And while the demand for speed is common among runners, whether you're just beginning out or you've been running marathons for many years, it's not exactly effortless. You can push yourself to go farther and faster when you're on the road, but it takes a little more exercise. Adding speed training to your daily workout schedule comes down to one strategy: strength training. Picking up weights will not only build your size and strength but also build more strong muscles that allow you to stay strong as you pick up your stride. You just have to choose the right moves to translate your gains into speed. Here are 3 exercises you can do to run faster. Number 3. Box jump. Put a box in front of you where it is high enough to make it relatively challenging to jump onto. Quickly flex your hips and knees, swing your arms back to gather momentum, and then jump onto the box. Land gently in the middle of the box with hips and knees curved. Step off. That's 1 rep. Complete 3 sets of 5 reps. These explosive jumps will prepare your leg and core muscles to turn on faster during a run. Begin with a low box, then gradually raise the height. Number 2. Goblet squat. Grab a dumbbell or kettlebell by one of the bell's ends with both hands under your chin. Stand and put your feet shoulder width apart, and toes pointed out at about 30 degrees. Take a deep breath, flex your hips, and sit into the squat, pushing your knees out and maintaining your lower back at its natural angle. Squeeze your hips as you come back up. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. The goblet squat lets you reach a deep squat with little risk of injury to your lower back. Squatting strengthens your entire lower body and is arguably the best activity for building running speed. Number 1. Walking lunges. There's no weight training workout more sport-specific to running than a walking lunge. It prepares your body both to accelerate forward and decelerate, keeping the body's momentum. It creates balance and coordination in addition to muscle power. Grab a dumbbell in each hand, and stand with feet at hip width. Step forward and lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the ground and your rear knee nearly touches the floor. Come up and instantly step forward with the opposing leg. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 per leg. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the major benefits of running. Number 1. Easing joint pain. Contrary to what you may think about running, which can make you exhausted and may cause some bone pain, running can effectively decrease bone pain. The reason is that when you are running, blood flow increases too. This process will strengthen your muscles, and many of your muscles surround your joints. So, your joints will work better and easier than before because some strong muscles support them. If you keep the proper running pose while you are jogging or running, it won't hurt your joints and bones. Having appropriate shoes for running is essential in preventing any damage to your body and your legs. Number 2. Burn calories. Running is the easiest way to burn calories. If you want to burn calories and don't have enough time for the gym, running is the best choice. You can jog to the places you want, such as shopping. You just need to not drive to sites not very far from you. Make this habit for yourself as a routine. After several months, you will see that you will burn more calories and maintain a healthy weight without too much effort. Running is a whole body workout that engages several muscles, and you will burn around 400 calories per hour. Number 3. Boosting your energy. Running in the morning can be effective for energy boosting. It increases oxygen flow throughout the body, and at the same time, it affects the production of some hormones in the body. When blood circulation is increased, the toxins will flush out more rapidly, resulting in a healthier body and a better mood. One study has shown that running can help reduce anxiety and depression. It also gives you the energy to do your daily activity better and more productively. Number 4. Toning your legs. Running has a great influence on strengthening leg muscles. Although it engages almost all muscles in the body, its focus is on the legs. When you run, leg muscles such as your thigh, hamstrings, and hips work simultaneously. Running on a treadmill with an incline is the best way to build up your leg muscle easily and rapidly. So, if you want to tone your legs and have a rounded hip and strong hamstrings, you should try running. Number 5. Preventing heart diseases. Running at least 30 minutes per day, 5 days a week can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Because it is a cardio exercise that engages your heart and increases your heartbeat. When exercising, your heart should work harder to provide more blood and oxygen for the body organs. This process of working hard makes it stronger than before. And if you constantly do exercises like jogging or running, your heart will be stronger than it was yesterday. Because the heart is also a muscle, like the other muscles in our body, you will lose it if you do not use it. So, as your heart works more, it will be stronger. Heart diseases such as blood pressure are considered silent killers because they have few symptoms, and you may not even recognize them. What do you do to help yourself run faster? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And watch more of our unique videos on the left and right of your screen.